study the oceans, we come across a harmless-looking invertebrate. The box jellyfish, also called the marine stinger or the sea wasp. Canorex flicere, or Chirosalmus quadrigatus. How venomous is this creature? Huh? The large box jellyfish has enough poison for 60 adults and can kill a man in less than 4 minutes. No other creature can kill a human being so quickly. So, innocuous as it looks, the Chironex fleceri is unquestionably the most venomous and deadly creature on the planet.
I was 26 years of age when my brother wrote to me in Durban, and he was in Perth at the time, a Fremantle, and he said, I'm getting married. So I thought, well, it's a bit of a shock. I was a confirmed bachelor, and he said, I'm getting married back in New Zealand, will you come back for the wedding? And so I came down to Cape Town, visited some friends, stayed at Bantry Bay, and decided to return via Reunion Island back to Mauritius, and then back to Perth in New Zealand. I'd lived in the fishing village the first time I'd arrived on the island, on the yacht, on the Constellation, on the schooner, and so I made good friendship with them. I lived there for a number of months, and because I was a diver, they took me night diving numbers of times. The first time I was terrified, but then I overcame my fear, and they used to go for crayfish or for crayfish in the middle of the night.
What's happening?
I don't know.
You need help?
I can't do
What's happening?
I don't know.
Officer!
What's that?
What's the invisible one? This one can kill you. Are you crazy? You caught diving and you don't know this. Come on. How many times did he hit you? How many times did he hit you?
I don't know.
4 times, maybe. Oh no! You have to get to hospital.
I knew that I was in serious trouble. I needed antitoxin. The Creole fishermen saw my arm and told me that one of them would kill me. They said, Stephanie for you. I knew these men had dived all their life, the professional divers, that I was in serious trouble. The young Creole boy carried me over his shoulder and dragged me up the beach onto the main road. As he got there, he then turned and he went, mon frère sur la plage. And I'm realizing he's saying he wants to go back for his brothers who are out on the reef. And I said, no, ambulance, gendarme. But he was too afraid that his brothers would be killed. I was left there half paralyzed. I was so weak, I sat down on the side of the road. It was really late at night, you know, there's no traffic. And I felt an overwhelming sense of tiredness come over me. I remember lying down on the road and thought I must have a sleep here. And as I began to close my eyes, I heard this clear, audible voice of a man say, if you close your eyes, son, you shall never awake again. What?
Hey, Melly, why did you give my dinner to that fat customer?
I need help.
Well, we cannot help you. We got customers.
I've got to go to the hospital.
He told you we cannot help you. We've got customers in the restaurant. Sorry.
You've got to help me. I think I'm going to die. Please help me. I'll give you money.
How much money will you give me? I'll take you to the hospital. But how much money will I get?
I don't care. 50, $100, whatever you want. Just take me to the hospital now.
Show me your money and I'll take you. Come on, let me see it.
I don't have the money on me, but I'll get the money to you.
You stupid white boy. You think you can play games with us? We've met your kind before.
You gotta help me. I'm gonna die.
As I watched these men walk away, I heard this audible voice again of this man. And he said, son, are you willing to beg for your life? I said, beg for my life? Well, I can do that. I'd seen men in Africa, beg. Yes, I'm boss. Yes, I'm boss. And I thought, yeah, I can beg.
I beg you, please.
As I did that, I could see the two men walking away. It didn't stop them. But one of the young men stopped, this young Indian man. Without a word, he walked over and helped me to my feet and put me into his cab.
What hotel are you staying in? I first get my money, huh?
I'm staying in a bungalow in...
Don't lie to me, white boy. You're a tourist. You're living in a hotel. How will I get my money?
I'm not a tourist. I live with a fisherman in Tamarind Bay. You'll get your money. Don't worry.
Why do you lie to me? I'll never get my money. You get out! You get out now!
What are you doing now?
Get out! Now!
I can't move. My legs are gone. Oh, my...
Ian! What are you doing here? What happened to you? You drunk! Just look at you. What did you do? Officer! The invisible one.
He said, pardon, no? That's Stephanie for you. He quickly carried me in his arms into the hotel. He placed me in a rattan chair just next to the swimming pool where the Chinese owners, they closed the bar, were playing mahjong and drinking whiskey. Danielle put me in the chair and took off into the night. I thought, where's he gone?
来一个，第一没有，砰！哇，上下踢，来，一条龙，哎呀，不可思议了，对啊。Excuse me. 哇，太早啊 ！Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Hey, what's wrong with you, huh? You've been drinking too much. You just danced up in my swimming pool, huh? Stupid white man.
Sir, excuse me. I need to get to a hospital. Jellyfish. Please. I need to get to a hospital.
Please.
Hey, you stupid man, huh? Look here. Hey? Why you put the needle in the arm, huh? The old Chinese men, hey, they have better idea. Hey, they smoke the opium with a pipe. This is your problem, huh? You better help yourself. If you can, huh? Please, take me to the hospital in your car. My car? Please. I'm going to die. No, huh? Impossible, man. Why are you so worried, huh? You just wait for the ambulance, huh? I cannot take my car, huh? Not possible, man. Don't worry, huh? Everything will be fine, huh?
Everything in me was just so angry. I just couldn't believe that he wouldn't take me in his car. I actually felt like hitting him. And I actually went to hit him. But my right arm was paralyzed. I thought, how could I hurt him? I tried my left hand, there was still strength in it. So I don't know what I could do. I could reach up and grab his shirt and pull him into my forehead, just give him a headbutt. And I thought, he'll remember what not to do with a dying man. And as I'm about to do that, I'm right on the edge of about to pull him into my forehead, I hear this clear voice of this man again say, son, if you do that, the toxin is so close to your heart, the adrenaline rush will kill you. I thought, that's true. What's this voice? Each time I hear it, it's so accurate.
As we begin to climb the ridge, the toxin in my lower trunk starts to drain my upper body. I feel it hit my lungs and my heart. I feel my mind shutting down as compartments of it literally die. As I'm there fighting for my life, I begin seeing things.
So I'm lying in this ambulance, and then I start to see a small boy with blonde hair appear before my eyes. It's like a video clip of someone's life. I become frighteningly aware that this video clip is me. My life has been rerun before me in seconds. As I'm watching this, I thought, man, that happens before people die. I've heard about this stuff. People see their life flash before them. Am I going to die? As I lay there, I quickly checked with my own mind, my own vital signs, and sure enough, my mind told me clear enough, I was so close to death it wasn't funny. I thought, if I do die, is there life after death, or is it just nothing?